Hey guys, today I'll be working with Hot Braids Kinky Human Hair, and what comes with the package is this brochure which explains pretty much everything about the hair. They sent me 5 bundles of the Kinky Human Hair, and it's pretty full, as you can tell. And I got the color Natural Black. So right now I'm just showing you how it looks, and I'm going to stretch it out a little bit just to show you the exact texture of the hair. Pretty thick, pretty full. And it's actually longer than it looks. I got mine in 20 inches. So after you twist it, it does stretch out. It also comes with this nice huge bag that you can put everything in, and it also comes with this nice comb package. It's like a comb type of brush. It also comes with some holding clips that you can use after parting your hair. And it also comes with a edge brush / edge comb that you can use to style your edges. And it also comes with this amazing parting comb, which I love. So right now, let's get started. She's about to part my hair, starting at the back of my neck. And she's going to part it in 4s. This part will be a little sped up because, of course, parting and styling takes a lot longer, and I didn't want this video to be too long. So right now she's just showing you guys how she's parting it, and she's parting it in 4s. So when she started off braiding, and then she started to twist the hair just so that it can be a firm hold on the braids and they just won't twist out. As you can see, when I meant that once you twist it, the hair will stretch out. So you can tell that it's an actual 20 inch. And the hair looks extremely natural, obviously because it's human hair, but it blended so well with my actual hair texture. So right here, I'm just showing you guys the length, and I did speed the video up. We did use that one bundle, showing you guys how much hair was left. We're onto the second bundle right here, and I chose to get medium size. This hair is so thick, so even if you got small, it'll still be full. Even if you got large, it'll still be full. That's why I love it. Super thick, super full, lots of density. The hair twisted really well, and we used product on the roots of my hair, but not on the actual hair of her twisting it. I'll tell you why. You'll see more towards the end. I didn't want too much product on the actual twist of the hair because I'm gonna put mousse in. We're gonna actually soak the water in hot water just so that we can get it to move and shake and everything. So here's another of her doing the side of my head. We are still working on the second pack, and then after this area we will move on to the third pack. And we did end up using 3.5 packs because I did do like medium size twist. So that completes the second pack, and that was how much hair was left. And on to the third bundle. So here I am putting the mousse on the top of my hair just to lay down any frizz or flyaways. So I did want to mention again that this is 100% Remy human hair. So yes, you can do whatever you like to this hair as if it was your own texture. That's what I love. Like, it literally looks like my natural hair with two strand twists. So right now we're getting ready to dip the hair so that we can get some movement going on. I'm so excited. This is probably my favorite part of the video. So we just boiled some hot water and we're just dipping it in the hot water. This is pretty much a fast process. And after we dipped it, I'm just blotting it with a dry towel. And we're just going to do that all around the hair. As you can see, it's falling lovely. Look how pretty this hair is. And when I dipped it, the ends curled in like the spiral curl, which I love. So freaking cute. I love this hair. It literally looks like my own hair. Look at it. So cute, neat. I just love it. And you can, of course, style it. I'll show you guys how I pulled it up. It's so freaking pretty. It looks so natural. Like, you guys have to try this hair out. I will put the link below in my description box so that you guys can go purchase you some. They have different lengths. So yeah, check it out and get you some of this human virgin Remy hair. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.